Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to open RAR files on your iPhone. RAR files are compressed files that contain one or more files or folders. By extracting them, you can access the content within. Let's dive into the process. First, what you need to do is go to your files, then find the exact location where you've downloaded the RAR file. For example, this. Simply click on it, then go to share. Here you can find save image. Simply tap on it and your extracted video or file or photo will be go to and saved on the Photos app. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted a RAR file on your iPhone using Files application. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.